Hey everybody, I was gonna make this video before I got this letter. I don't know how many people have got this letter, but I got this letter. I knew Halloween Horror Nights was gonna be canceled because of the restrictions in both states. Florida, they having a big surge. We have a big surge of coronavirus. I knew Halloween Horror Nights was gonna be canceled. I wanted to put it out there before the letter came, but people say, well, it was construction at the Universal Studios Hollywood, but still, that was never going to happen because we're kind of what's called over the line because they have already had tickets being sold for Halloween Horror Nights, but it just wasn't going to happen because, like I said, their past was called a barrier to have the tickets sold already, but it just didn't happen. So it won't be Halloween Horror Nights and stuff. So I thought they could have changed something, but you know, like the surges and stuff in two states of Hollywood and Orlando, they had to cancel Halloween Horror Nights. So I'll leave the link from last year's Halloween Horror Nights POV, the one I did walkthrough with GoPro. You can watch that one and others that I've done. But yeah, I knew that they was gonna cancel it. I should have really made a video earlier before this letter came, but you know, and I know they haven't tweeted it out, but this came and you can read at the bottom, but no, it wasn't gonna happen. So that's it, y'all. Maybe they'll figure a way next year, and was it 2021 and 2022? They'll figure it out. You know, but I hope they clear this virus up and we can get back to the crazy, scary stuff.